Hello, my name is Matthew. I'll be making brown butter and Mizithra pasta today. I have butter. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons per person. Mizithra cheese, kosher salt for the water, which right now, while you're getting your ingredients out, you really want to get your water going immediately because this is the longest part. I have parsley, pepper, and my angel hair pasta. So what you want to do now is go ahead and salt your water so that your pasta can heat up and retain a little flavor. We're only doing 1 serving, so we're gonna cut 2 tablespoons of butter off the stick, and then we'll be done over here for a while. Now that our water is boiling, I'm gonna take a serving of pasta. We're using angel hair, and we're just gonna put it in there. We're gonna set a 4-minute timer or whatever the middle-ish number on your box is. The most important part to my recipe is the butter, so we're gonna go ahead and throw it in the pan. We wanna keep it moving the whole time, especially once it gets melted. We're gonna stay on low heat. You can actually turn it up a little. We don't want a whole lot of heat for this though. These will go at about the same time. All right, the butter is melted, but we just wanna keep it moving. Right now you can see it's melted by this very, very faint yellow. It'll be a little bit more brown when we're ready. So we just wanna keep this moving while still keeping an eye on our pasta. For this recipe, it is very important that you do not overcook. So as soon as that 4 minutes goes off, we're gonna go ahead and strain it. Now that the pasta is fully drained, we're just gonna put it on the plate. You really don't want any residual moisture. If you have making more than 1 serving, just evenly distribute it. So this butter is brown. You can see the color is definitely brown, and there's little particles in the bottom that's kind of separate. And it smells really nutty. That's one way to know it's done. So we're just gonna take it and put it on our pasta. So what I'm gonna do now is just use my fork to kind of work the butter around. You can use the same fork to eat it. Make sure you turn off the burner that's doing the butter, because you do not want it to burn. Before the cheese, we're gonna go ahead and pepper. And then we can go ahead and cheese. So we're just gonna take our cheese and sprinkle it on top. Whoever's eating it, you can just work it around with the fork when you're ready to eat it. But this, just do however much you want. I usually just coat the top, and then it should be done. Lastly, we're gonna add some parsley, and then we're ready to serve it. It's really simple, but it's really good. I highly recommend you try this recipe. The hardest part is the butter, but it's not that difficult, and once you get it down, you can make this whenever. Make sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.